We'll be covering the basic functions of Packet Tracer. I'm going to create a simple Ethernet network using two hosts and a hub, and then we'll observe the flow of data from the two hosts by creating network traffic. First, I'm going to select my end device. I'm going to grab a PC from the menu down here on the bottom left and drag it up to the design area. And I'll take another and do the same. And now I need to select a hub, so I'll go to Hubs, click Generic, and drag it up here. Now once we have that, we need to have the connection cable. So I'll click on this icon right here, and I'm going to select the copper straight through cable. So I click that once, come up here to PC0, click once, Fast Ethernet, drag the cable up to the hub, click once, plug it into port 0. Now I'm going to go back down here, click the copper straight through cable again to configure PC1. So I'll click on PC1, Fast Ethernet, drag the cable up to the hub, click port 1. So now that we have the network built, we need to configure each host. So I go into PC0, click once, click on the Config tab. First I'm going to change this to PCA. Now I'm going to click on Fast Ethernet over on the left one to plug in an IP address 192.168.1.1. Hit Tab, it'll automatically input the subnet mask. I'm going to X out of here and configure PC1 now. Click once, I'm going to go to Config, type in PCB, Fast Ethernet. Now I need to put in the IP address 192.168.1.2. Tab to input the subnet mask, and X out of that. So now that we have this built, we're going to show a little simulation of what a packet looks like when it travels from PCA through a hub down to CB. So I click on the Simulation tab right over here, right behind Real Time. Go to Edit Filters. I'm going to clear all of these out and stick with ARP and ICMP. Now I'm going to grab a packet from this. You see this envelope icon on the right column. So I'm going to click on that. Click once on PCA, and then PCB. Now I'm going to run a simulation of the packets moving through the network. First I'll start with the auto capture play. Right here you'll see the horizontal bar. You can drag it over to the right to increase the speed of the simulation, or you can move it to the left to decrease the speed. When I click autoplay, it'll show you what it looks like automatically when the packet moves through the network. As you can see here, it's going back to the hub, down to PCA. So now I'm going to reset the simulation and show you the capture forward option. This will show you the simulation one step at a time. So if I click it once, you'll see the packet move from PCA to the hub. Click it again, moves from the hub down to the PCB, and back up to the hub, over to PCA.